If you are wondering if we can use floating window mode on OnePlus 15R, then the answer is yes, you can easily activate pop-up view, and we have a couple of methods that allow you to do so. For example, if you open an app, you can go to the background apps or recent tasks or recent apps. You can tap on the app name that we have above the preview of the app, and then in here we have the floating window option. Besides that, if you use a sidebar, you can tap on any of the apps that you have available over here that you add in order to open them in the floating window mode just like that. If you receive a notification from an app in the form of a banner, so you can have a banner here at the top of the screen, then you can swipe down from that banner in order to open the app in the floating window mode as well. And last but not least, if you use gestures for navigation, you can swipe from the bottom of the screen, and then as you can see here in the upper right corner, we have this floating window field, so you can drop your app over here, and as you can see, now we have the floating window mode of that selected app. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.